The new JBL Go Essential 2 is one of the smallest speakers that I've seen and one of the cheapest at as low as $19.99, but I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. It's available in 3 different colors. The one shown here is blue. That's IP67, dust and waterproof. Only weighs about 0.39 pounds. It's got an older Bluetooth 4.2 and up to 5 hours battery life. There are some things missing from this that you would get if you go up to the JBL Go 4, like the ability to pair more of these speakers together using AuraCast. Surprisingly, you don't get a charging cable with this one. Okay, feels like a silicone material on the back and on the sides. USB-C charging port over on the side. All the controls are there on the top. Power, Bluetooth, volume up and down, and play and pause. It sort of feels like a metal grill there on the front. Definitely doesn't feel quite as premium as some of the other JBL speakers. It's got some little nubs here on the bottom for the feet. Really, this kind of speaker though, you can place on pretty much any side. Unfortunately, this one doesn't seem to work with the JBL app. I guess that's not a huge surprise considering the price. It's also only 3.1 watts, but then again, this is JBL, so I think people are going to be surprised at how this speaker sounds. But again, I think it comes down to what you're looking for. I would almost put this one in the same category as the JBL Grip speaker that just came out recently. Sort of a category for a very small percentage of people. I don't know, maybe they're just trying to fill in some gaps. Now, if you've heard the JBL Go 4 and you thought it had too much bass, then this might be a better option for you because it does have a little better clarity. Again, it probably depends on what you're listening to, because this one doesn't really sound like it's quite as punchy as the JBL Go 4. Here's a few quick samples of how the Go Essentials 2 sounds compared to the JBL Go 4.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Surprisingly, the sound on this is definitely louder than I was expecting. It's got a little bit of bass, but not as much as you would expect compared to most other JBL speakers. Now, to me personally, the JBL Go 4 is one of the cheaper speakers already. So if you're wanting a cheaper version of that, yeah, this is definitely cheaper. I guess some of this is going to come down to personal preference, but I like how the JBL Go 4 has a little bit more bass. It also feels a little bit more rugged. It just has a more premium feel to it. I think the controls are better on the JBL Go 4. It's not quite as thick as the JBL Go 4, but these two are really close in size, so I'm not really sure if that's a big selling point. To me, it's almost like a different style of the JBL Go 4. Actually, I'm not even sure if there's a big enough price difference between these two, considering how much better the JBL Go 4 sounds, in my opinion.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love.